How to fix Barony is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go back to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. Now in the general tab, in the launch options, you'll need to add -DX11, or you can try -DX10 if the first one is not launching. Next, you want to go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files. Once this is completed, you can close Steam. Then you'll need to open up your browser and head to this link, which is going to be in the description below. Now from the redistributables table, you will need to get the 86 and the 64 installer, both of them. And once you finish the installation, this will require a computer restart. So right after the restart, what you need to do is check if you have the latest GPU updates. So you will need to use the NVIDIA app or the AMD software depending on which GPU you're running. And from the drivers tab, you will need to check for the latest available driver update and make sure to install it. Now all you need to do is run Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin, and then just launch the game from the library and it should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.